Welcome to our channel. How to connect a printer without WPS button. Why WPS isn't needed. Not all printers have WPS. That's okay. You can still connect manually through menus, software, or USB. It works if you know the real steps. Power on the printer. Turn it on. Make sure it's awake, no error lights. Paper loaded. Sounds obvious, but skipping this ruins setup. Ready printer equals first step to actually connecting. Open network settings. Go to the printer menu. Find network or Wi-Fi settings. Look for Setup Wizard. You'll manually select your Wi-Fi and type the password. It's a bit messy, but reliable. Connect manually to Wi-Fi. Pick your Wi-Fi. Type password slowly and carefully. Watch for typos. Hit connect. Wait for green light or confirmation. Sometimes takes a few tries, but it will work. Use USB if needed. If Wi-Fi refuses, plug the printer into your computer via USB. Install drivers. Many printers auto-detect network and transfer settings. Reliable when menus are confusing. Install printer software. Download software from the manufacturer. Follow prompts. Select network setup. Pick your printer. Enter password. Done. Software handles most of the hard parts for you. Assign a static IP. Check printer's IP address. Assign static IP in router settings if possible. Stops it from disappearing later. Annoying step, but saves frustration. Test with a print job. Print a test page. Confirm it prints. Connection might say, connected, but still fail. Testing early saves hours of guesswork. Troubleshoot common issues. Typos, wrong network, firewall blocks. Double-check details. Most connection problems are human mistakes. Fix step by step, it works 90% of the time. Keep it simple. Using WPS isn't a problem. Use menus, software, or USB. Double-check passwords, test prints. Static IP optional. Patience is key. Stop overthinking it. Thank you for watching.